We can identify ions by adding dilute acids or by adding NaOH. So first we have carbonate. So we can add a dilute acid and test the gas that is released. So we know the gas that will be released is carbon dioxide. So we can test it by lime water. Then we have chloride. Now we can test chloride by acidifying with dilute nitric acid and adding aqueous silver nitrate. So because of the nitrates, a white precipitate will form. Bromide, we will do the same, acidifying it with a dilute nitric acid and adding silver nitrate, and a cream precipitate is going to form. For iodide, it is also going to be the same process and a yellow precipitate is going to form. For nitrate, we are going to add aqueous NaOH and aluminium foil. We are going to warm it gently and test the gas which is going to be released. So we know that ammonia is going to be released, and ammonia has a pungent smell and it turns red litmus paper blue. For sulfate, we're going to acidify it with dilute nitric acid, and then we're going to add aqueous barium nitrate, which will have a white precipitate. And for sulfite, we are going to add dilute acid, we're going to warm it and test the gas that is going to be released.